For heavy oil-contaminated workpieces that require sticking to objects, simply erasing surface oil stains cannot effectively adhere objects. Lasers and blasting equipment can enlarge laser spot to remove oil completely. The diameter of enlarged spot is dozens of times larger than normal one, which make it clean faster. And enlarged spot won't damage workpieces substrate. After cleaning, can preview the adhesion position based on the size of the object to be adhered. Texturing is a necessary prerequisite for object adhesion. Texturing is to create a concave convex structure on the surface of workpiece, which increase the contact area with the adhesive. In this structure, glue will not have bubbles or overflow. Then directly adhere objects on the workpiece. After cleaning and texturing, the firmness of object adhesion is increased by several hundred times.